I am distributing. So think of it like this. Over here, you have some unique talent. In the book Single Digit Millionaire I wrote, I call it a primary skill. It is unique to you. Guess where it came from? Your past. I am paying you for your past. Your past helps me to build my future. So the breakdown I had at 25 where I went through depression, clinical depression, is one of the reasons my confidence is so strong today. Because during that period I went through the breakdown, I wrote a book on confidence. And I became a leading authority in the world on confidence and helping people protect their confidence. Well, guess what I had to do to figure that out? I had to lose all my confidence. Everybody see that? So when a person's going through divorce, transition, loss of loved ones, anything that is shaking their whole life up, okay, I have studied transition at a high level. I spent 4 years trying to get people out of prison and keep them out of prison, which is all about their confidence many times. You with me? So what I'm paying you for is your past. Okay? So you have some unique talent. We have to figure out how you can package that talent. I talk about this a lot in Person of Interest, my boot camp called Person of Interest, how to package your past. Then we got to market your talent. Then we monetize your talent. So we find it, we package it, we market it, we make money with it. And people typically struggle with somewhere in this formula. Okay? So think of it this way. You have a unique talent over here, skill. I have a problem over here, or an ambition. Have a problem or an ambition. Your skill helps me solve my problem. And that's why I'm paying you. I'm paying you to help me solve my problem. Okay? Now you told me this is part of my B. I want 50 agents, I want to do this, I want to do this. If I came in and helped you solve that problem, that would be valuable to you. Yes or no? If you come into me and said, I can guarantee selling 10,000 copies of that book, that would solve a problem for me. If you said I could sell out every one of your boot camps, that would solve a problem for me. Right? I just told you I paid 14 grand to spend 3 hours with a guy on how to make the book a bestseller. You know what he gave me? A roadmap. This is how you do this, step by step. Now it's up to me to go execute it. So this is so where does purpose come in here? By using my skill to help you with your ambition, I'm really helping you go drive your dreams. And in the process of this, instead of just money, guess what I get? See, there's exchange there. I give you my talent. I help you reach your dreams. And in the process, I get paid more ways than one. Not just about money. Okay? If you're ever struggling to make money, quit focusing on the money and start focusing on helping people reach their dreams. Everybody, right? Everybody hear me? If you ever say, man, I'm really struggling to make some money right now, just go back to helping people move from A to B in their life, and you will make more money. Get out of the transaction business and get into the transformation business. How can I help you? Okay? So see the exchange, usage, distribution, exchange. Look at these key words here. I'm using it. I'm distributing it. All an artist does, right? Carrie's an artist. All what you're really doing is distributing your talent to the world. And the artists who distribute their talents to the world at the highest levels make a lot of money. They call it going on tour. And they sing. And you know why? The songs make them feel a certain way. Okay? So there's an exchange. I'm giving you my talent and you giving me your love. Okay? By the way, when you pay money to go to a concert, all you're doing is watching another person work, by the way. They're working. How many of you paid a lot of money to go to a concert? Okay? Guess what you paid to do? Watch them work for 2 hours. How much would somebody pay to watch you work? Somebody the other day said, man, I'd have to pay them to watch me work. Okay? Now, the exchange of your talent. Now, the fundamental relationship is this right here. I give you my skill for your problem. This is called the fundamental relationship. Okay? So, Todd, you reached out to me. I'm going to give you credit because Todd's a real estate agent. He reached out to me the other night and he said, what are your real estate goals in 2023? And he's not even my real estate agent. I sent it to my real estate agent and I said, this is what you should be doing.
I did that for about 2 hours.
Yeah.
Text, copy, paste, copy, paste,
Yeah.
copy, paste.
So I sent it to Tommy Davidson, who's my agent. And I said, you got 20 team members. Every one of your team members should be reaching out to their clients asking them this question. What are your goals in 2023? What's your real estate goals? See, right now I'm trying to reduce debt on some of the debt that I have because I have loans at various levels. I have about $20 million worth of real estate. There's all kinds of things I'm trying to do. I'm trying to decrease debt on some properties. I'm trying to borrow money to buy more properties. I'm trying to get a $7 million project off the ground in Nashville. Like I have both opportunities and problems every day. So if you were my real estate agent, you should know these things. If you're my banker, you should know these things. So I told my banker one day, I said, you should be calling people, asking them, do they have a debt reduction strategy? And you should be helping them reduce their debt. Look at all their loans. Look at which ones you can work on first. Give them guidance and counsel. Like this is proactive selling. So when they need a loan, they come back to you. Now, how many bankers do that? None of them, because they're all lazy. How many real estate agents proactively reach out to their clients and go, hey man, what are you doing? What do you want to do in 2023 and how can I serve you? Okay? So although Todd's not my agent, then he sent this picture out of barn dominiums. And I'm like, now we could be interested in that because we're trying to build out the lodge, add different properties, tiny cabins, house people here when they come in. So I said, call my wife, explain it to her. Who knows what could happen, right? Who knows? And if I don't buy a barn dominium, I may tell somebody else, man, call Todd. He can help you with that. I'm creating. See, look at what he's doing. Using, distributing, exchanging. So the fundamental relationship between your talent and somebody else's problem is where purpose actually happens, okay? So purpose happens when I give you my talent and you say thank you, right? And when you read the 5 love languages, gifts are not mine because people send me gifts all the time. And I appreciate those gifts. I'm like, it's nice. Thank you for doing that. Mine is affirmation. When a person sends me a handwritten letter that says, your coaching changed my life, I keep those. And I keep them in a stack because that feeds me. Everybody with me? Last night I was doing this Zoom and a woman said, I want to say thank you to you because in my health coaching business, I have generated 300 leads in the last 6 months because of your coaching. Thank you. Because nobody's ever taught me how to generate leads like this. Okay? I went back, I told my wife, I said, you're never going to believe what a woman said tonight. And I took the video and I shared it with our team because we share success stories every day. Look at this success story. Look at this person doing this because of us. That gives us what? Purpose. Everybody see that? Now, let's go to this and then we'll break for lunch. So there is a difference between start with why and because goals. But what you're trying to do is ultimately end up with this, profit, which is why I created the program Purpose to Profit. Right? What is profit? These are my definitions of profit. First one's a Dave Blanchard term. There's internal profit, something that fills your internal bank account. It's like, man, I did some good stuff today. I helped some people today. I deposited today. That's internal profit. Then there's external profit, fills your bank account. You got excess cash, right? Like at the end of the month, a good business should have excess money left over. Okay? Every property I bought, by the way, it came from my coaching business. My coaching business produced profits. I took the profits and I bought real estate. And I used the real estate to coach people. So I call that intentional congruence. The coaching business feeds the other businesses. Everybody with me? If the coaching business wasn't successful, I wouldn't have any excess cash to buy the lodge. So the primary business kicks off enough cash to be able to go purchase real estate, but I then use the real estate to kick more cash back to the coaching business, which is why we do couples retreats at our house in Florida. See, I told my wife she could have that house in Florida if we just produced something to pay for it. So we do couples retreats, and the couples retreats pay for the note on the house. While the house is appreciating,